Talesong 42. Northanger Abbey. I'm Catherine, eager and wide-eyed, stories and novels fill me with pride. I visit Bath, dance, flirt, and scheme. Life feels like a thrilling dream. I meet Tilney, clever and kind. Imagination races, misleads my mind. Mysteries lurk where none exist. I suspect shadows, secrets missed. The Abbey looms. I dream and plot, Gothic tales twist, but truth is not. Friendships bloom, lessons learned, love and sense must both be earned. In the end, laughter and reason win, romance balanced, hearts akin. Books can fool, but life is real, lessons of judgment, love, and zeal. Answer the following questions. Well done. You did it. Compare your answers with the suggested ones.